Hello everyone, if you recall from last week, or 2 weeks ago now, this was all pretty much underwater here. It's still a considerable amount of water on the ground over there. It's still kind of like a little marshland. This is the same trail that we walked on the Sunday following Irene. There's a lot of green vegetation that's flourishing due to the, you see all this, due to all the water. Now the trail is still somewhat underwater, but that's fine. We're gonna walk through here. There's a lot of water still. I don't know how the microphone is, but you can hear the dam off in the distance. Oh geez. Jefferson frogs. They're certainly enjoying this, their new aqua playground. Oh, there's two cardinals. That's cool if you saw them. Now this trail is still somewhat underwater, but it's certainly passable. Last time this was all under. We got this nice side ledge right here. Still a little mushy though, so you do want to take caution with your steps. You can hear the birds chirping off in the grove there. Oh yeah, I think we got a lot of water again. Oh yeah, and we're back. Back to being an insane amount of water. Sneak through here. Oh yeah. Now this isn't too bad because this all here is all covered, but it's still, you can still see the water just coming through. You see that right there? That's the longest lens I have, and this is as far as I'm going to be able to go. You can see me zoom out here. You got water right there. Water through there. What we might be able to do is just take a look at that. Just coming through the trees. That's the trail right there. That's all washed, all underwater. And this water is moving pretty swiftly too. Yeah, there's no clear distinction on where the dam ends and the water, the lake line begins. Wild. Alright, let's go through the woods and see what we got here. And see how close I can get. Nice little waterfalls on that wall. And then you can see right through there. That's pretty rough water. Now you can also see where the water from last week really knocked over all the small branches and all the weeds, if you will. But just take a peek. You can see the rushing water off in the back there. And it goes all the way down. This feeds into Longwood Lake, which is another body of water on this little pipeline of lakes and rivers. So here's another look one more time. You can see all the trees are now more in line on the dam. So it's pretty intense. It's otherwise turning out to be a pretty nice day, but of course this is all going to be short-lived because we have more heavy rains coming up later. So let's walk. One last thing I want to record here. You can see the erosion on the trail. You can see all the exposed, like very exposed rocks on the side. You figure when this rain's coming down, this is nothing but a waterway here. Just look at that. Climb up here. Years ago, this was a nice, easy path with maybe a small gully off to the side here. Now, I don't know if you can even tell the depth of this, but maybe I'm gonna hop down here. So this is pretty intense here. You can see the formations on the rock and the dirt. Pretty cool. Climb up. Oh, yep. All right. And then we'll go up a little further. You can see more. That's a nice collapsing of the trail there. And even a little further here. This is usually a little gully. You can see the property owners over here. They must have redid their patio and decided this is the best way to dispose of the old slabs. Yeah, good idea. Anyway, and that's it. Back to civilization. Alrighty.